Hi everyone, welcome to week 3 of the Crafty Christmas Collab 2020 hosted by Bourbon Creek Crafts, who is Beth. Hi Beth. And here's a hashtag if you're following along that you can find all our videos, or you can look at all the participants listed in the description below and hop along to each of us. So the object of this collab, if you haven't seen the other 2 weeks, is every Wednesday in November at 8 a.m. Eastern, we are using the same paper pad that we selected, and it could be any paper pad, but the one I'm using is this Graphic 45 Winter Wonderland. I can't get it into the view. Anyway, this is what it looks like. It's called Winter Wonderland. There, Winter Wonderland collection by Graphic 45, and I got it probably in 2017 when it came out. So, and I have that one in the 8x8 and the chipboard and the paper tags and things. So I decided to use it. Now, last week I was working on 3 CDs, and I'm as done as I'm going to go with them. This is the first one. I found these stickers and I thought this one went perfectly. It's like a raised one. It was the only one in the pack that went well, in my opinion. And I found this red braided cord. So even though I had stickled along the edges, I did feel like I wanted to put something else on this one. So I put this red cord, and then I really didn't want to cover up too much of the picture. So I just put these 3 poinsettias, which I bought off another crafter, but the package said Greenbrier, so I'm going to say they were originally Dollar Tree. And then this is the back pocket, which of course I don't have anything in, but let me get a scrap of paper or something if I can find one. Short little one, maybe. Here. To show you, I'll put something in there, but it's a little pocket for a gift card or something. This is the only one that has that. And then this I'm not terribly happy with. Usually what I do is I tie a knot on the back here and have one strand, but then I always feel like they lean. So I wanted it to be a double layer, but this ribbon is really stiff, and I'm just not particularly happy with it, but that's what it is. So the next one was this one, also with that cording. This is the one I had already put the pearls on. I did go around with that other gold stuff, and I'm not crazy about that either. I found these wood pieces in my stash, and I see I kind of put them on a little crooked. Anyway, what I did is I took my Stampin' Up! Water pens and inks, and I painted with ink on the wood pieces in garden green and actually real red, but the real red kind of bled into the green a little bit, but I see my berry bled here too. I probably bumped it or something. Anyway, I put red Christmas red stickles on the berries, and then the pine cone I did in soft suede, and I just went over it like this very quickly with that same gold stickles. It's not stickles, it's Studio G. There's nothing on the back, because I just like the picture. And then the last one, I decided I didn't really like that stiff stuff, so I found Very Vanilla and Mossy Meadow old retired Stampin' Up! Twine in my stash. And this is the Festive Post stamp set, stamped on Very Vanilla, and Mossy Meadow I cut out with the rectangular postage stamp punch. I cut 2 of those out, and so I would have a little border. I don't know if I'm crazy about it, but again, I had trouble covering up the picture. And then what I did here, I already had stickles down as well, and that was stickles, but I just took some of that Mossy Meadow twine and glued it down with art glitter glue, and it seemed to work really well. And then I went around the edges with, I didn't do the back again, but with the gold stickles. So that is the last one. And that's it. I didn't do a whole lot of decorating. I know you were all expecting something miraculous, but that's it for my 3 CDs. So that was the end of week 2. And then week 3, are you ready? I have something I love, but I don't know if you will. I made a traveler's notebook, and this is it. I laminated the cover. I have not, the only thing I haven't done is rounded the corners of the laminate, because my corner rounder does not cut it well. I did that with some other ones, so I need to get a really strong corner rounder, and I don't know if anybody has suggestions, because the only one I have is this one, and I know I have this in a, I think a 1/2 inch that was in a 2-pack at Hobby Lobby at EK Success, and this cuts really well on paper, but it does not do well on the laminate, so I need to really find a strong corner chomper thing, I guess, like Lyric Lover Craft showed the We Are Memory Keepers corner chomper. Is that still being sold? I don't even know, but that might do it because she was doing that. So then inside, this is the back of that paper, so it's really pretty, but I didn't put a pocket on here. And then we have this signature, and this is one of the cut aparts. And then I did put paper on the inside of the front and the back, but I did not put any pockets in there because I made this laminated pocket, and I do have some of the cut aparts. I also laminated this tag and this one. I learned a lesson. This one was kind of a boo-boo because I learned that you have to, if you're going to scallop it or anything, you have to do that before you laminate it, and then just cut this open, and you kind of have to fussy cut carefully around where the scallop is, because if you try and punch it in it, unless you make it skinnier, so it ends up being only 2 inches, it won't fit in the punch right, so it didn't punch right. I ended up having to cut it off the other one, but it seems okay. Like this, I actually messed it up anyway because I had that picture upside down. I had the scallop down here, which is where I cut it off. So yeah, I would have had to do it anyway. And then I just have some of the cut aparts in here. And then actually, this is 2 cut aparts. And then I found a pack of these cards, and the color I thought went really well. So I didn't do anything with them. I just put them in, 2 of them in here to put in the back. The white doesn't really go, but the card color does. And then this is, I was thinking of making a pocket. I might make a pocket with this one, but this one I was going to make, like, put down as a little pocket, but then I didn't want to cover up the back. And I have another one somewhere like that too. I don't know if it's in here or not. And then this is another cut apart too. So I haven't really done anything but put extra stuff in here on the inside. And then this is the last. This one is unlined paper. I might put some washi tape down here or something. I don't know. But that's the last of it. Yeah, there and there. I'll put washi tape. I did put a little cut apart that says love. And that's it. That is my traveler's notebook for week 3. I don't do December dailies because I don't really use them. And but notebooks I do use all the time, and usually just for, you know, jotting down things like the parts I use in making jewelry, or instructions on how to make traveler's notebooks, you know, stuff like that. So I use them for that kind of thing, more so than keeping memories or anything like that. But I might be giving this one away once I figure out how to round those corners and beef it up a little bit. But that is my project for week 3. Sorry about the glare. Can't get rid of it. And I hope you enjoyed that, and please do go check out everyone else in the collab. Nothing on the back. I just thought it was pretty, and the bird here I thought goes with the birds inside. And here's the other bird. And the cabin or the house goes with the cabin here. And so I brought that same cabin in here also. This was a scrap left over from last week, I think. Yeah, that one too. So yeah, that's it. That's my traveler's notebook for the holiday season. Okay. All right, everyone. Talk to you soon. And let's see, I have another collab going up on the same day as this one at 10 a.m. Eastern, which is having fun making jewelry. So I hope you'll come check that out as well. Thank you again. Hugs, love, and peace.